Welcome back. In this video, I will show you if your insert tab is not showing in the ribbon, then how you can bring back. In my case, you can see that insert tab is not showing in the ribbon. So for this, you need to click on the file and click on the options. And under the word option, you need to click on the customize ribbon. And on the right side you will see that customize the ribbon. You need to drop down this menu and click the main tabs, and now scroll down, and here you can see that insert tab is unchecked. You need to check this box and simply click OK, and here is the issue fixed. You can see that insert tab is back on the ribbon. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand the process. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.